everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pretty from FoshanToday. And today I'll show you to a factory which is working on making some furniture at home. So now just wait for me and I'll show you what is it exactly. As you can see, it's very big and they have different parts. It's a little mess because the workers here, maybe they are siding the ladder and doing something like that. And we can see something else. Oh, as you can see, this is a really huge machine. In my opinion, it's very high-tech. And I think maybe it's automatically using material. And oh wow, a noise is not afraid, right? But it's automatically and it can do with it. And the workers here, they only need to manufacturing this and control the machine, and the machine can do itself. So that's amazing, right? There's still a lot to learn because I didn't know it before. Now let's see something else. And the people here, they are siding the leather and the wood, and they can work very logically and doing themselves. And let's see something else here. And in this, there are other parts, different parts, they have their own responsibilities. And in this workers here, as you can see, workers here, they are tailing the ladders and some other materials. And maybe now we can have a small interview with the workers here. 你好，你好，请问您是这里工人是吗? And I found the workers here, so now let's have a short talk with them. 请问你们现在的工作忙不忙？
忙啊！现在我们很多订单，然后我们现在就是每天3班倒。
3班倒。
每一班就是8个小时嘛。
哦。The workers here said that they are very busy now, and it's more busier than people working from 9 to 5, and they have 3 turns every day. And as she said, they have many orders here, and most of the orders are from foreign countries, so it's export orders. And we can say that. There are many, maybe they are unfinished furniture and materials, original materials. And this is a little mess, I must say that. And as you can see, there are many kinds of materials here. And as for this wooden frame, maybe it's we put some finished furniture here, and they'll be passed to Aussie. Something like that. And now I'll show you to another area to see some other places in this area, okay? As you can see, some workers there are working on maybe putting the spoon here. Oh, let me ask some question to the worker here. 请问这个海绵它是什么海绵？感觉手感还是不错的。
这个是质量很好的高密度回弹海绵。
Oh yeah, the material spoon here is of high quality, and the worker said it's of high density. Yes, really good. And let's see something else. Oh, you can see. This quarter, the workers here are making the wooden frame, and this wooden frame are used to maybe package the products, and they are packaged to send to their owners. Oh, but the smell is a little, it's not smell so well. And now I'll show you to another area of the factory. Just follow me. You can see the workers here, they are cutting the wood, and the wood here, they are all solid wood, so it's of high quality as well. And as you can see, when I knock the wood here, the noise is very quick. I can see it's of high quality. And let's see something else. Wow. You can see there are many machines that are automatically working with the help of the workers. So the workers here, they don't need to put a lot of efforts and they can do very well, and the materials here are all very good. And if you want to know more, please leave the message and maybe we can help you get more message or the product details from the boss here. And here I'll leave my emails and my WhatsApp, and here I'll leave my emails and my WhatsApp message here. You can contact us. Show you more. Now just follow me. And now we are coming to another area of the factory, and they have many parts. In these parts, they are there. Spoon parts is one of their main materials, and in there they have some other areas I'll show you later. And if you want to know more, please leave your message under our video and I'll show you, okay? And these areas are their material area, and the material here are mainly the spoon. And the spoon here are always high density, so I can see that the material here are very good. And let's see some other quality. And let's see some. And like this is the wooden frame they are used to maybe package some furniture and products to send to their owners. And as for these parts, these are finished products part, and there are some products they are finished and waiting to be packaged. And something like this, oh, you can see it's very stretchy and it's of high quality. I can feel that. And now we are coming to another area. In these areas, the workers here, they are tailored the material as well. And in that area, just follow me. That area mostly put the finished products. There are many sofas, coffee table, and stuff like that. These are all materials, and maybe I can show you. And you see the workers here, they are cutting leathers here. And they have all automatically machines, so you don't need to make a lot of efforts. Well, they are very careful, so we don't disturb them. And the workers here, actually, I don't know what that worker is doing, but that's the mind. And here, they are mostly the finished product, and you can see it's of different patterns. And the colors here are very beautiful and have various colors here. I like it. And the products here, as you can see, the products here, they are very beautiful, even though they are pure colors. Oh, you can see that workers here, maybe they are cleaning the furniture, but I don't know, so let's ask some question to her. Okay. 您好，请问你们现在是在干什么？
擦干净然后出货。
The worker said that she is just cleaning the product, even though the products have been finished, but she needs to polishing and cleaning again to ensure the quality of the product. So let's see something else. And these are also some frame and maybe some materials and unfinished furniture waiting to mixed. And there are all finished product and they are well packaged. As you can see, they are wrapped with the maybe the cotton bag, and they are waiting to be sent to their owners. Wow, so many. Wow, there are so many things here. So I don't know whether you like it. If you like it, please give me a thumb up and subscribe our channel. And the next time I'll show you more in the factory. I know you like it, right? And so that's all for today. This is Pretty from FoshanToday. FoshanToday, the ultimate guide to Foshan furniture market. So that's all about today. See you next time.